Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what? Brian, don't!
I thought that would be big news.
Again, I love repetition.
Well, what do you think?
Again, I love repetition. Oh my God. Oh my God. Messiah! You've returned! You've returned to bring us the good word!
What word?
Ryan? I don't feel so good.
Is there anything else we should know about?
Oh, have you not heard?
Heard what?
Well, what do you think?
Look, Daddy, I agree with what you're trying to do, but I just don't think this is gonna work. It's so artificial.
You're asking for a spanking, young lady.
Yeah.
All right.